Hi, my name is Brianna and I work for the Live Oak Public Library, and today I'm going to be doing reverse tie-dye. Today we are going to be reverse tie-dyeing bandanas. What you're going to need is a black piece of cloth. It's a bandana. We're going to use some of these garden rocks for one of the designs. You're going to need a kit from your grocery store, and you can use yarn or any rope type material. And if you want, you can use household bleach. The bleach does come into the kit, but I prefer using the household bleach because it works faster, but you can use either one, it's up to you. So these bandanas that we're going to be making for our dogs, and we're going to be doing 3 different patterns. We're going to do swirl, bubble, and rope tied. The first thing that you're going to want to do is dampen your cloth, and I already filled the bottles of bleach and dye off camera, and let's get into it. So the first design that we're going to do is the bubble design, and that's when your garden rocks or whatever kind of pebbles you have come into play. For the bubble design, you're just going to pick any random place on your cloth and you're just going to tie it off with the rubber bands. After you're done rubber banding all your little rocks into the cloth, it should look something like this. The next step would be to just bleach it as you want. So once you get your bleach on there how you like, you're just going to set this off to the side for about 30 minutes or until it is bleached to how you like it. The next design that we're going to do is the spiral, and the spiral is usually the one that you see, and it's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is pick a spot on your cloth wherever you want, and you're just going to pinch it with your fingers, and you're just going to twist, and you're going to keep twisting until the whole cloth is balled up. Once you have all your rubber bands, it should look like this, and once you have it done, you can just start bleaching it however you want. With the spiral, you do want to make sure that you get both sides. For the last design that we're going to do, it's the rope tied, and you can take rope, string, yarn, twine, whatever you have, and you're going to go longer than the length of your cloth, cut it, and when you do, you're going to start rolling the cloth onto the rope. Once you have it on your rope, you're going to take the yarn and pull it as tight as you can and tie it. Once you have it tied, you can just start bleaching it however you want. For this one and the swirl, you will want to turn it over to get both sides. So after you let the bleach set for however long you want, your tie-dye should start looking like this for the different designs. Once they are finished bleaching, you can just start dyeing them however you want. After you dye it however you want, you're going to take a Ziploc bag and you're just going to put it in there, and you're going to leave the dye in the bag for about 24 hours or longer if you prefer. Pretty. So after your bandanas have set for 24 hours, you can go ahead and rinse them out, and you want to run them under water until it runs clear. So here is the rope tie, how it turned out. The bubble design. And a spiral design. And that is how you do the reverse tie-dye dog bandanas. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to look out for more from Swanee River Regional Library in the future.